So, ayan mga ka-Seanwoo Sports, ready na kami. Mag-Ateneo muna kami, magpa-Palo Series sa Ateneo with Palo Series casting. Ayan si Franz, si Ike, si Romer, Kuya Carlo, at si Kuya Jun. So ayan, abangan yung laro namin. Sana manalo, kaya ayan. Sige, samahan nyo kami guys, mag-vlog kami. Thank you! So ayan guys, andito na kami sa Katipunan. Malapit na kami, tatawid na lang kami pa Ateneo, nag-stop over lang.
Malapit na sa KJJ.
So guys, ayun nga, today's the day. We've been waiting for it for a very long time, at least like 2 weeks kasi grabe talaga yung patience namin pagdating sa mga Dayo series, and we wanted to make sure na we wanted to have this opportunity to, you know, play outside sa mga camp. And right now, we're waiting for Kuya Kaloy kasi nag-avail siya ng buy one take one. So, ayun nga, matatagalan kami. And right now, technically our call time is 4 p.m. Sorry. And you know, I think we've reached further than the call time, yeah. Kaya yun. So here right now, nandito kami sa Katipunan with Coach Sean and the trainees. Lalaro kami against leagues from beyond the line, and you know, it's a wonderful opportunity to start. Ayun nga. So dito sa Katipunan, sobrang traffic talaga pa uwi. You can see really the traffic, it's really mild compared going sa ano. Ayun nga, pares si Kuya. Now we're gonna enter Zeus Coffee kasi i-interview natin yung nagpalibre. So ano masasabi mo, Kuya Kaloy, na we're here?
Thank you, CJ, for the talk. And we're now here in Ateneo.
Okay.
Nakapaglaro.
So what do you feel about today and, you know, getting to experience?
I don't feel any pressure.
Pero pinaghandaan mo naman talaga. You were looking forward to this.
Not really. Because I think naman, we can do it as a team. Right? Together. So, laban lang.
Laban lang. Tama. So right now we're in Zeus Coffee. So ayun nga. It's a very busy day. And nandito si Romer. Romer, come here. I'm gonna interview you. How do you feel about today and, you know, getting to play outside the camp? Kabado.
Kasi baka maiwan kanina.
Ayun nga eh. So, kanina, na-pressure ka ba nung, you know, baka isipin mo na you're gonna get left out, gano'n. Wala kang transpo. How much do you like, magkano nakakuha mo today? Pang bag?
50 pesos.
50 pesos nga. So, yun nga. 50 pesos. So, yan, dito kami.
Thanks kay Kuya Jun kasi sinabay niya ako. Kasi kung hindi niya ako sinabay, hindi rin ako makakatin. So, sayang naman yung opportunity na makalaro tayo sa Ateneo. Diba? More experience.
More experience. Tama. So, ayun nga, si Kuya Kaloy, sobrang tagal. Sa kasi dahilan, ba't kami naghihintay? Sobrang traffic pa, yes. Tama. So, what did you order, Kuya Kaloy?
I ordered matcha latte.
Okay.
Creme.
So, yun nga yung menu, guys. Yan. So, a little lang kami dito kasi hinihintay namin yung order before we head to Ateneo. And this is like our pre-workout routine. Not really routine, pero you know, you have to order coffee in order to function talaga in our games. So ayun nga, just tatagalan lang talaga. Ayun, nakuha niya na.
Let's go.
Ayan. And the order's done. Order's complete. Now, we're heading to Ateneo. Okay, sure. Sige. So yun nga, we'll see you guys in a bit, and you know, it's time for us to prepare time for us to head to Ateneo na. And you know, everyone's going to get ready na. So, hello Katipunan, this is Sean Woo Sports. We'll see you in a bit. Coach!
Let's go!
Let's go! And guys, we're here in Ateneo now and we just arrived here. Ateneo with loudspeaker. So, here we go.
Okay na. ID. Kasama kayo?
Yes,
lalaro po.
So yun guys, touchdown Ateneo and you know, andito kaming Sean Woo Camp and we just arrived here and ayun, sobrang dami namin and ready to play volleyball here in Ateneo de Manila University. And such a very wonderful ambience here and the environment is really wide. Ayun nga, so nakuha na ni Coach Sean yung ano niya, ID niya, ID for entry. So checkpoint. Ayun nga, checkpoint.
What you doing?
Sangre, ano masasabi mo? Maganda siya. Okay. So, we'll bring you to ayun po. Welcome to it. Ano sasabi mo? Welcome to his alma mater. So yun nga, hello Ateneo.
Hindi mo naka-wings. Naka-wings.
Ikaw una Kuya Jun. Hindi, I'm videoing.
Hindi mo naka-wings. Naka-wings ka?
So, today is not gonna work if it's not for Zeus Coffee.
Dito ako nag-training as a coach.
Ay wow, galing ah. Social ah.
Kaso hindi ko na-absorb.
Na-absorb. Ay. Andyan si Queen Masikip. Ayan. Queen Masikip.
Wait lang
Ha? Here we go.
Ay, keep yan ha. Keep yan. Dito tayo sa kapina. Saan? Oh. Saan ba? Keep yan.
Napunta sila sa exit and you know, it's really ayun, grabe, ang ganda. Sean Woo Convoy. Woo!
Pagkaraan ng 500 metro, kumanan sa University. Kumanan sa University Road.
on your left, this is Miriam College.
Pagkaraan ng 400 metro. Kumanan sa Father Masterson
This is
Drive.
what they call the Friendship Bridge. So they are highly interconnected with Ateneo. So yun nga pala yung sinasabi ng mga iba. You know, Miriam and Ateneo has been very connected with each other.
Pagkaraan ng 300
When it
metro.
comes to
Kumanan.
students and the yung environment ng university. So yun nga. And so ito yung Ateneo de Manila University.
Kumanan sa Father Masterson Drive. Pagkaraan ng 400 metro. Kumaliwa sa Seminary Drive. Pagkaraan ng 300 metro. Kumaliwa. Tapos kumaliwa. Kumaliwa sa Seminary Drive. Tapos kumaliwa sa LS Upper East Parking.
I think we just roamed around.
Kumaliwa sa LS Upper East Parking.
Football daw, football.
Pagkaraan ng 100 metro. Kumaliwa sa LS Upper East Parking. Kumanan. Nakarating ka na sa iyong destinasyon.
We're here in Ateneo and everyone's really excited.
Ito na si Nico. Pababa pa lang si Nico. Pababa ko. May ligtas ka talaga sa sa mga pagkakaprento. May takip yung plaka mo, tinakpan ng bag niya. Yung France eh. Ay, wala na to. April na to. Army go. Sabi ko na tinitingnan ko. Hala, nakatakip yung plaka ni We're here guys. So, let's prepare na para sa ating medyo mabigat na laro dito sa Ateneo. Ayan sila. Alam mo, ganda natin tignan kayo ng diretso pagka naganoon tayo. Alam mo, nag-rides ka na din. So, alam na, ito ulit yung magkakasama sa rides.
Mitena or Metina?
Naguna ba? Anong marilaki na lang muna? Para sure na makakasama lahat. Mukhang pag Laguna, tayo lang yun. So ayan guys, ang aming team 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So ang Sean Sports trainees andito po sa Ateneo. Everyone say hello! Hola! Hola amiga! Yan.
Buenos dias!
Yan, so mabibisa muna kami dito. So here we are in Ateneo with Sean Camp. And everyone signing up because it's a very wonderful experience for Seongu. Dahil maglalaro kami against people from different backgrounds, players with highly special skills. And yeah, and there they are.
Yan.
So, ayun nga. So, ang daming sports dito. They play basketball there. They play tennis there. And football. And right now, it's volleyball. Because we're going to play right there.
Yan.
And right there. So, ayun nga guys. It's a very gloomy weather today. Pero, laban pa rin. Kasi compared sa school namin, it's not like this kind of environment.
Oh, sister? Sister ba?
Ayun si Sangre.
And this is our star player for today.
Si Sangre.
Our Sangre.
Sangre.
Yan na, nakapasok na po si Sangre. Going to court. Ito na po ang aming dalawa.
Lagay ko po name nyo.
Okay, please. Ayan na.
Shawing po.
Sure, S-I-A A-W-I-N-G-C-O. Yun.
Coach, ay na lang po.
Okay. Go. Let's go, guys.
Makulong tono. Sabi na eh. May ilaw tono. Yun lang. Gusto ko bumili yung bag yung may yung may animation dito sa likod. Yung may nag-iba-iba yung mukha.
That's no life, but that's real.
Warm up. Sabi ko nagulat siya sa likod. Siya yung serving na doon sa kabila papunta mo. Sa kabilang dulo.
Ayun na guys, so nag-warm up na ang ating mga trainees. Ayun na, laban natin. So, ayan. Ayun na, ready na ang ating players. Sakto lang.
Hindi siya mag-boy ka.
Test setter nga. Ano ba gusto mo? Yung puti?
Outside.
Inside. Inside. Go kayo Jun, serve lang. Pasok. Dalawa. Six. Six na lang, 6. Apat. Gamit tayo na. Go, Chicos Jordan. Tatlo. Hey. Galing ni Coach Jordan. Ano masasabi mo?
Ano lang, mabigat.
Tatlo. Uy. Tatlo. All 15. All na, coach. Sano? Win. Baklang, galing mo. Ang sikip mo.
Alam ko na yun. Walang pulang na sikip dito.
6 Game winning, game winning.
Small but terrible ka talaga.
Nice one! Warm up.
3-0, panalo na Sean Woo. 3-0. Ano masasabi?
Sean Woo win!
Ayan.
Coach team run daw po.
3 wins.
Yes, 3-0. Parang hindi naman kayo masaya na 3-0 tayo. Ang lungkot nyo na 3-0 tayo, lalo na si Franz. 3-0 na nga lungkot pa natin.
Para ma-check mo yung mga pwesto.
Alerto na tayo doon, usap tayo sa court.
Pero at least walang idol. Nakakatuwa lang din. Lahat gumagalaw naman. Walang idol.
Ano oras na?
Dumayo ng Ateneum na 3-0 tayo.
Okay na guys, so 3-0 na kami.
Yes! Claim it!
Wood stab.
Ayan guys. Ano masasabi mo dahil ikaw ang number 1 ano na?
Grabe naman. Hindi naman. Kasi we work as a team. And nakaka-proud lang kasi you know, previous games, previous dayo, natatalo kami. Pero ngayon at least nabawi namin yung mga mistakes namin as a team.
Grabe naman yan. Thank you, Kuya. O, ikaw naman, Sangre. Ang sikip. Sige na nga, bahala ka na dyan.
Tiwala kami sa iyo.
Si Kuya Carlo na pagod.
Nakakapagod mag
Dai.
dalawang team.
Ayan na. Si Boy Setter.
Dakilang setter.
Dakilang setter na maparaan.
Pagod na.
Ayan na guys, ikot na tayo.
Ay, update. Ano na daw ang score ng Sean Woo?
5-1. Ano yung 5-1?
5 win, 1
lose.
lose. Second round robin, 1 win, 1
As the first goal na baba.
Ano masasabi nung ano? Naka-isang tuldok?
Ano coach, sobrang talaga, nakaka-proud. Kasi lahat ng nagawa natin sa training, na-apply ko dito. Hindi ko nga alam ba't ngayon lang.
First time? Nakatuldok daw ba?
Parang wala. Yung video eh. Hindi nagilid.
Nice one.
Go, go. Go, go. Go lang. Ay, hindi nakita sa video. 1.5 nga natin.
Isang patay. O, eto.
Binigyan ka ng kutsilyo, no?
Ganda alis ha.
Go, go.
Or 1 oh.
Lulusot pa.
Paano yung uwa mo?
Wala na video yun.
Ay, nakita ko tuloy. Wala na.
Nice!
Matagal na. Buti naman yun ang sinagot mo. Napawasan yung tubig mo.
Wow! Kaliwa!
Sana all marunong kumaliwa. Alabas na ba?
Sorry, coach.
Grabe yun. Check ball. Ha 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 ha.
Nice, CJ!
Win! We have to win this.
Yes.
It's game over. Gusto ko na mag-food trip. Ay, food trip. Mali.
Agad?
Food trip. Sorry po. Yun yan. Score? 6-5. Isa-isa.
Masyado siyang ano. Not over. Nice one!
Good, good, good. Hey! Nice, AC. Very good.
3-3-3.
Yun.
Pa-shoutout tayo sa Pia. Hindi mo papasok eh. Hindi mo papasok sa service. Pasok. Nice one. Ay!
Okay, wrong serve.
Hindi ko dapat wala nila. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po.
Enjoyin mo lang. But yun, mas focus pa siya kasi sa mga matanda. Mahusay. Enjoy guys.
Thank you so much po.
May ulit Saturday. Yun yung mas maraming minsan mas competitive. 8 teams po kami every Saturday. We actually still have slots tomorrow. No pressure.
Actually, after a year, ngayon po naman.
Hindi ko alam. No worries na po. Kasi on our end then we weren't able to inform you guys. So, default rin kami. Pero thank you for complying.
We really appreciate it. So, it's at you guys. Working campus before. Thank you so much guys.
Thank you po.
Ingat po.
Nice game po.
Ano sabi ni Coach Jun?
First runner-up kami.
Ah,
Hindi kami nag-champion pero hindi masakit.
hindi masakit kasi we've been
Kasi ang dami natin panalo, di ba?
Dikit pa.
Oo, dikit.
yeah.
We gave it our all.
Yes, that's right.
Galit lang ako kasi hindi ako pinasok.
Ay, galit daw si Fran. Thank you so much po. So ayun guys, the Palo series is done na. Probably our next target is Lasal Green Hills or probably dun lang muna sa mga tabi-tabi. Pero right now, everyone's really looking forward to playing in Lasal Green Hills. So ayun nga, palis na kami and nice game po. So yun, palis na kami and everyone is really tired, everyone's really exhausted. And this is what Ateneo looks like in the night. So here we have the e-bus. So every students wait there para sa mga e-bus papunta sa mga campus nila. And ayan. So andun sila lahat and grabe, I mean, we didn't give the 100% potential kanina sa championships, but we really enjoyed it as a team and as a camp. So ano Nico, ano masasabi mo?
Sayang.
Sayang.
Sayang yung puto ko.
Bawi.
Okay lang, may highlights naman.
Okay guys, say bye to the vlog!